Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning how to identify a prime number using factors method. So that is what we're going to be learning today. What we're going to use today, the number we're going to use today are from 1 to 20. So from 1 to 20, we're going to identify which of them what are prime numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20. So we're going to be testing each of them, which of them are prime numbers. So we start with 1. 1 has only one factor and it cannot be a prime number because it has 1 only. So it cannot be a prime factor. So this one is out. Then the next one is 2. 2. What are the factors of 2? The factors of 2 are 1 and itself. So we can call this one a prime number. Now the next on our list is what? 3. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Since it is only 2 factor, we can call this one a prime number. So the next one is 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4, and since it's greater than 2 factor, it cannot be called a prime number. So this one is out. Next is what? 5. The factors of 5 are 1, then 5 itself. So this 5 is called what? A prime number. Now let's try 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So it is 4 factors, is greater than 2. So this one cannot be called a prime number. So 7. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. So it is only 2 factors. We can call this one a prime number. 8. For the one of 8, the factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4, and 8. It has exceeded 2, so it cannot be called a prime number. So this one is out. Now let's go to 9. 9. The factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So it has exceeded 2, so it cannot be called a prime number. So let's go to 10. So 10, we have 1, 2, and 5, and the last one is what? 10. It has exceeded 2, it cannot be called a prime what? Number. Let's go to 11. The factors of 11 are just 1 and 11. So this one we can call it a prime number. Now let's go to 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So it has exceeded 2. So this one we can't call it a prime number. So the next one is 13. Let's try the one of 13. The factors of 13 are 1 and 13. So we can call this one a prime number. So let's try 14. The factors of 14 are 1, 2, and 7, then what? 14. So this cannot be called a prime number because it's more than 2 factor. So let's try 15. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. So it has exceeded 2, so it cannot be called a prime number. So let's try 16. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and then 16. It has exceeded 2, so it cannot be called a prime number. Now let's try 17. We have 17. The factors of 17 are 1 and 17. So it has 2 factor only, so it can be called prime number. Now let's try 8. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, then 6, then 9, then 18. It has exceeded 2, so it cannot be called a prime number. Now let's try 19. The factors of 19 are 1 and 19. So 1 and 19. So this one we can call this one a prime number. Now 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 2. What can go into 20 again? We have 4, 5, then 10, then 20. It has exceeded 2. So you can see that this one cannot be a prime number. So from our answer, we have 2 as the prime number, 3 prime number, 5 prime number, 7 prime number, 11 prime number, 13 prime number, 17 prime number, then last one which was 19. So the prime number from 1 to 20, they are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. So that is all the prime number between 1 and 20. Thank you for watching my class. If you have gained anything in this class, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or any of our social media handle. Bye bye till we see you in my next class.